Welcome back to Miko Eats. Hope y'all doing wonderful today as I am. Keeping busy, hanging out, having fun. Sorry about the camera moving so much. Just bumped into it. Today we're eating a healthy choice, 4-cheese ravioli and chicken marinara. Not too bad looking. We'll go ahead and dump this into our marinara. Definitely hot, that's for sure, guys. Doop, 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 doop. All right. On this particular one here, we are looking at 250 calories. Total fat is 6%, which is 4.5 grams. Cholesterol is 45 milligrams. Sodium's 510. Carbohydrates 33. And protein is 17 grams. So that don't sound too bad at all. I'm starting to kind of think the portion size could be a little bit bigger for what I'm looking at, but you know, we'll see. See how it does. It does look good. Put a comment down below, guys. What do you think? Does it look good to you guys? Yes, no, maybe so. A possibility. Alright. I'm going in for a bite. You can see the ravioli, the spinach on there. The marinara. It's not bad. Not bad. Alright. Let's get a little bit more going on. Definitely got more spinach on it for this go around. Piece of chicken, piece of tomato, and the ravioli. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a rating on this one. I'm gonna have to rate this one around a 7. It tastes pretty good. It does. It just seems like to me that we should have a little bit more chicken in it than what we got. Take that back. We do got quite a bit of chicken, a lot more than the other meal. We're rated at an 8. It is good. I would recommend this one to anybody. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I do want to grow this channel. And please leave a comment so I can hear from you, and I will reply back to your comments. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.